The weather is changing right now. It is amazing. It is getting a lot more pleasant in many parts of the world. With the onset of autumn right now, we can see that it is associated with different kinds of foods. Seasons and foods, why should we care about it? Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Kulkarni, co-founder of Arna Gen Next Solutions. Whenever we talk about any season, we associate that season with particular kinds of foods. Summer reminds us of different kinds of foods, and winters very different foods. So autumn is associated with, we think about pumpkins. That is the first thing that we think about, isn't it? So let us break this seasonality in food into 5 aspects as we usually do. The first thing that we should consider or look at is seasons represent different kinds of foods or fruits and vegetables. Different fruits and vegetables grow in different seasons. Like the example I gave, in autumn, we see pumpkins everywhere, and the warmth of pumpkin is very, very comforting when the season starts getting colder. In India, it is very common to eat millets called bajra in the winters when seasons start getting colder. In the summer, it's a different kind of millet that is associated. So there are many of these fruits and vegetables that are associated with different seasons, and it is the same season that our body is also experiencing. So the second point here is, how do you identify what is in season? If you want to buy something that is seasonal, it is a lot healthier for our bodies. So how can we know what is in season when we go to buy this produce? When we go, whatever is in season is a lot cheaper. It is growing easily. It does not require the assistance of any pesticides, fertilizers to grow. That is one very good way of identifying it. Whatever is in season is only available in a particular season. It will not be available throughout the year, and it will be a lot cheaper at that time. If something is grown out of season, it will be a lot more expensive. That is a very easy way of identifying what is in season. What is the third thing to know? The unseasonal fruits and vegetables are actually quite damaging for our health. Why is that? That is because, just think about that. If these plants cannot grow in that particular season on their own, what do we need to use to force them to grow? We have to use a lot more chemicals. There's a lot more artificial assistance that has to be given for these plants to grow. And that's how we get this unseasonal produce. Do you really want to consume that? That is a very important consideration we need to have while selecting the produce we eat. What is the fourth thing we need to know? The fourth thing is that nature makes these seasonal fruits and vegetables that are aligned perfectly with the season that we are experiencing. The plants that grow in this season are also following nature's rhythm, just like our own body. So if they are aligned, like we enjoy mangoes in summer, we enjoy pumpkins in winter or autumn, there are many such fruits and vegetables that are available only in a particular season. They align very well with our body, and they provide us with the health benefits that are required for that particular season. That is why we should listen to nature and select seasonal fruits and vegetables. What is the fifth point that we need to know? The fifth one is that we are helping nature, we are helping the environment by selecting seasonal fruits and vegetables, just like we are helping our own body by not taking in all of these chemicals, by avoiding all of these toxic materials that are used to grow unseasonal produce. These are some very important reasons why we should consider seasonal fruits and vegetables. They are amazing for our gut microbiome, they are amazing for our overall health, and I've just told you what are the easy ways in which you can figure out what is seasonal and what is not seasonal. So do buy that seasonal produce right away.